Hello, my dear students of class 9th. Dear student, I am Rajendra, biology teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. My dear student, as the chapter has been completed of cell, which is the fundamental unit of life, that you have studied in different part and as a whole in the speedy way. My dear student, during the online classes, certain question answer exercises that have been done, and I am taking the question answer session in this video that will be helpful for you if you are going to solve the questions, or that will be very important. That will be very important as far as the point of view of the examination, which is going to be conducted. So, dear student, come to page number, and all these are questions are the NCERT important questions, and come to the page number 44 and 45. 44 and 45. 44 plus 45. This is the page number of which I am going to take the question answer session. Dear student, come to the first section, and that section is MCQ, multiple choice question. You have to select the right options. So come to this MCQ, and in MCQ section, come to question number 1, and the answer is, the question is, which of the following can be made into the crystal? Bacterium, amoeba, virus, iceform. So answer will be a virus. Answer will be a virus, C. 1C. Then question number 2, a cell will swell up if, so many options are there, but the right option will be if the concentration of water molecule in surrounding medium is higher than the water molecule concentration in the cell. So this will be answer. मतलब कि कोई भी सेल फूलती तब है जब उसके बाहर की तरफ पानी की मात्रा ज्यादा रहती है एज कम्पेयर टू अंदर. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, that is B. Answer will be B. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, dear student, question number 3, chromosomes are made up of DNA and protein and RNA. So, chromosomes are made up of DNA and protein. Answer will be DNA and protein, C. 3C. कैसे बना होता है? जो DNA होता है वो ऑक्टेन मॉलिक्यूल जो होता है उसमें प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल होता है, उसके अंदर पैक रहता है. ओके, विच ऑफ दीज ऑप्शंस आर नॉट फंक्शन ऑफ राइबोसोम्स? तो राइबोसोम का फंक्शन है मैन्युफैक्चर प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल, मैन्युफैक्चर एंजाइम, मैन्युफैक्चर हार्मोन्स, मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ स्टार्च मॉलिक्यूल. तो फर्स्ट प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल एंड सेकेंड. ओके, ये तो है ही है. सेकेंड एंड थर्ड ये भी है. थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. ओके, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ आंसर विल बी सी. 4C again. Now come to 5. Which of these not related to the endoplasmic reticulum? So many options are there, and the option is, it can be the site of energy generation. This C, that is not related to the function of endoplasmic reticulum. Energy generation का site नहीं है. So 5C. Then 6. Following are a few definitions of osmosis. Read carefully and select the correct definition. Okay, the movement of water molecule from a region of higher concentration to region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. This is the correct definition of the osmosis. So 6A and come to 7. Plasmolysis in a plant cell is defined as the shrinkage of cytoplasm in hypertonic medium. साइटोप्लाज्म सिंक कर जाता है, जैसे किशमिश जो है वो सूख जाता है. सो दैट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ प्लाज्मोलिसिस. 7B. And you should come to the next questions like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay. So these 8, which of the following are covered by a single membrane? Mitochondria, vacuole, lysosome, plastid. So vacuoles are single membrane, that is 8B. 8B. This one is 8B. 8B. And 9. Question number 9. Find out the false statement, and the false statement is Golgi apparatus is involved with the formation of lysosome. This is the false statement. A. 9A. 9A. And now come to the 10. The protein and lipids essential for the building of the cell membrane are manufactured by rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, plasma membrane and mitochondria. So rough endoplasmic reticulum A, 10A. And 11, the undefined nuclear region of prokaryotes are known as nucleus, nucleolus, nucleic acid and nucleoid. Undefined nuclear region of prokaryotes are known as nucleoid. So that is B. 11B. And 12, the cell organelle involved with the forming complex sugars from simple sugars are Golgi apparatus. The answer is endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, plastid नहीं. दैट इज ए कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर. सिंपल शुगर से कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर बनाती है, जैसे कि ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन वगैरह है. सो दैट इज डन बाय द Golgi apparatus. एंड 12B. कम टू नेक्स्ट, दैट इज द 13. विच आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए फंक्शन ऑफ वैक्यूल? सो स्टोरेज ओके, प्रोवाइडिंग टर्जिडिटी ओके, वेस्ट एक्सक्रीशन ओके, and locomotion. So locomotion is that is not the function of the vacuole. Locomotion. So D. 12D. 12, 13D again. 13D. And now come to 14. Amoeba acquires food through the process termed as exocytosis, endocytosis, plasmolysis, and exocytosis and endocytosis both. So that is endocytosis. Endocytosis. That is B. Okay, dear student. Now come to next questions. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Come to the answers. 15. The cell wall of which one of these is not made up of cellulose? Bacteria, hydrilla, cactus, mango tree. That is bacteria. A. 15A. Bacteria में cell wall होता ही नहीं. Now 16, silver nitrate solution is used for the study of endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, mitochondria. That is the Golgi apparatus. B. 16. B. 17. Organelles other than the nucleus containing DNA is endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, lysosome. That is the mitochondria. C. 17. C. And now come to 18. Kitchen of the cell is called C. Chloroplast. C. Chloroplast. Cell arises from pre-existing cell was stated by Haeckel, Virchow, Hooke, Schleiden. That is Virchow. 19. Question number 19. Virchow. Then after the Schleiden and Schwann given the complete cell theory. So B. 19. B. And 20. The cell theory was given by Schleiden and Schwann. A. 20A. Then 21. Dear student, if you see this video, you will be able to solve all the objective type questions. Come to the 21. Question number 21. That is, the only cell organelle seen in prokaryotic cell is ribosome. 21B. 21B. And now come to next questions. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay. 22. Organelles without a cell membrane is ribosome. Ribosome, that is A. तो क्लोरोप्लास्ट भी है, गोल्गी apparatus and nucleus में सब में membrane है, but राइबोसोम में membrane नहीं होती है. This is ribosome A. 1 micrometer is 10 to the power minus 6 meter. A. Living cells were discovered by Leeuwenhoek. C. Then the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms is AN. Organ, tissue, cell, protein. That is cell. 25. C. Cell. Then 26. An undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acid in prokaryotes is known as undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acids in prokaryotes is known as D. None of these. Nucleus, nucleolus, cellulose, none of these. So 26D. 26D. 27. The organism lacking nucleus and membrane bound organelles are prokaryotes, diploids, eukaryotes, none of these. These are the prokaryotes. A. 27A. 28. The only cell organelle present in the prokaryotic cell is, that is ribosome. 28B. 28B. Now come to 29, 30, 31. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So dear students, see this question number 29. Chromosomes are made up of DNA and protein, RNA and protein, DNA and RNA protein. So that is DNA and protein. A. 29A. Then 30. Gaseous exchange in cell takes place by C. Diffusion. C. Diffusion. Then 31. Amoeba acquires its food through a process known as the endocytosis. That is B. I think this question was repeated. Then 32. A cell may swell up, even burst it, if the concentration of water molecules within the cell is higher than the concentration of the concentration of water molecule in the surrounding medium is higher than B. 32B. You have to match these questions with your book if you have the book, and I suggest all of you to take the books from the school. 33. Which one of the following is called the digestive bag or suicidal bag? So that is lysosome B. 33B. Then 34. Which of the following statement is not related to endoplasmic reticulum? D. It can be the site of the energy generation. This is the false statement with the endoplasmic reticulum. 34D. Then 35. Lipid molecules in the cell are synthesized by smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough Golgi apparatus, plastic. So lipid synthesis takes place in smooth endoplasmic reticulum A. Then lysosome arises from endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, mitochondria. That is by Golgi apparatus. कैसे arise होता है? B. Golgi apparatus form small vesicle, and that vesicle, when it take the larger size, then that will be converted into the lysosome. Then 38, 37, 37, 38, and 39. So dear students, these three questions that you have solved, select the odd one out. और जो odd one है स्टेटमेंट में, that is molecule soluble organic solvent can be possible. Membrane, no. Membrane are made up of organic molecules like protein and lipid. The movement of water across the cellular membrane is affected by the amount of substance. 8 to D. That is the D. Plasma membrane contains chitin sugar in plants. So D, 37D, and 38. Which cell organelle plays the crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs? That is Golgi apparatus, lysosome, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and vacuole. So 38 is C. That is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, C. 38 C. And 39, find out the correct sentences. Giant pattern lysosomes are made through RER. Okay, C. That is 39A. Enzyme packed in lysosome are made up through RER. This is A. 39A. So, my dear students, this all question and answer session of multiple question and answer that I have did it in this video, and you have to do some filling the blanks, like cell theory was proposed by Sladen and Shawn. Second, endoplasmic serve as a channel for the transport of material between the various organs. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. And Golgi body is the packaging and dispatching unit of the cell. So these are the filling the blanks. And true false, come to the true false. T of the F. So A that is true, A true, B false, C true, B false, D false, E false, E false. So dear students, these are the question and answer exercise that is from chapter 1 cell, and some match the column. Rest, dear student, you have to do at your home, and if you are facing any difficulty, then you contact me for that. And further, I will be able to start the new chapter, that is tissue, in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.